First thing you'll notice about the DC Fit is how straightforward the whole installation actually is. My name's Phil Smith and I'm the Technical Sales Manager for EcoBat battery, and just want to talk to you today a little bit about my experience of installing and using the DC Fit. So what I like about the DC Fit is it's designed to work with all existing PV inverters between 3 and 30 kilowatts, and it doesn't matter whether it's single phase or 3-phase, it will work with all of them. We really wanted to get this first installation done by ourselves just to see how easy it was to install. So the reason we partnered with EcoFlow is because we believe that the DC Fit is probably the most simple retrofit solution on the market. The first thing you'll notice about the DC Fit is how straightforward the whole installation actually is. So when it comes to installation, step one was very simple. Simply disconnect the PV array and connect those cables that were going to the PV inverter into the DC Fit converter. For the second step, we needed to make up some new DC cables and connect from the PowerOcean DC Fit converter back to the existing solar inverter. And it was as easy as that, really. So the DC Fit converter is incredibly small. It just sits straight on top of the battery, so it saves a lot of installation time and takes up a lot less space. Like all energy storage systems, you will need to install an energy meter. This will tell the DC Fit converter if energy is being exported to the grid, and then it will store that excess energy in the battery for use later on. Once connected and switched on, head over to the EcoFlow Pro app to get you set up in minutes. There you can input system parameters, get it hooked up to Wi-Fi, and that's it. The beauty of the DC Fit solution from EcoFlow is simply that because it's on the DC side, there are no requirements for certification or on-grid permits, so you can get on and use the system straight away. The other thing we like about the EcoFlow product range is that there will be a single-phase and 3-phase system coming online in New Year, and the batteries are completely interchangeable between all 3 systems. So from a stocking point of view, it only means we have to stock 1 battery. We look forward to working with EcoFlow very closely over the coming years. We firmly believe that this will be a great system for all homeowners, whether it's existing solar installations with the PowerOcean DC Fit or new installations with the single phase and 3-phase options coming online next year.